Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about the gas bonnet struts that are fitted to my MGTF. So here they are. This is all one kit and you can get it from an MG supplier. I can't remember the name of who it was, but I will pop a link in the description below for where you can get them from and who you can get them from. What comes in the kit is the gas strut itself. You also get the adapter that goes into the wing at the bottom, and then also this stainless steel plate here up at the top, and the two bolts, Allen key bolts, that then hold that plate onto the bonnet. In terms of fitting it, it is just another plug and play job, so another dead easy thing for anybody to do. All you need for this is a set of Allen keys for the heads of these bolts which come with the kit, and also a spanner to get these bolts off. I can't remember what size these are, but I will double check, and I'll pop a comment down below for what size those are. The first thing to do, and you do them one at a time, so you don't do both at the same time. You do one first and then the other one, and then that just supports the weight of the bonnet as you do the job. The first thing is to mark off where your existing brackets are on your bonnet. So if you see behind here is another little plate, that is what then goes down and attaches onto the body of the car, and this one is the one that you want to mark off. So I'd put a little bit of tape, in that direction, and then another one in that direction, and then that marks off where that is on your bonnet. And what that means is that when you come to put it all back together at the end, if you line it up in exactly the same place that it was to start with, the bonnet won't be out of alignment when you come to put it all back together. So what you do is you take these bolts out. These are replacement ones that come with the kit, so there's another two. The two originals come off, so you take those two off. You then fit this plate over the top, put those two bolts back through. You're then on to the next part of the job, which is putting the new bolt in down here, which has got the ball head to attach onto the gas strut. Now this is the most tricky side, or I found it to be the most tricky side, and that's because this big wire here gets in the way as you try and tighten up underneath here. It is really fiddly, but you can do it, so don't be put off. It is possible. So you take off the old one, which will look like that. Once that's off, you then screw the new one in and put it there. And then once you've got those in place, and it doesn't take too long, it is just a case of clipping the gas strut on. So you can see there's some little metal clips. I just moved it there. They come off. You push these onto the ball head that's on there and the one that's on there. Put those new clips back over the top once they're in place, and then that's it. You then move over to the other side, repeat the process, and that should take you probably about half an hour, not very long at all. The only thing that will be a bit tricky to do is aligning it if you somehow end up with the bonnet out of alignment, which is why I recommend putting those bits of tape on there before you take it off.
I hope you've enjoyed this episode. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Please also follow the MGTF on Instagram, where you'll get to see lots of other photos of the car. Thank you for joining today, and until next time, I'll see you soon.